Appreciation of the poem 3.1 If. Stanza 10th. Appreciation of the poem. Title, If. Name of the poet, Rudyard Kipling. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme for the first stanza is A. All the other 5 stanzas have the rhyme scheme abab. Figures of speech, antithesis, alliteration, etc. Theme is central idea. The theme running through the poem is this: if the son fulfills certain conditions, he can be rest assured of certain favorable result. Both the condition and the result have a direct bearing upon the lives of all young people.